Yes, students, good evening. So now, students who are in the online, am I audible? Can you please confirm it? Okay, fine. So let us move to the next discussion. Yeah, Raki, I'm fine. So, right, ma. So, good evening. So let us move to the further discussion. So today we are going to discuss the next topic, another topic we are entering. So another most important topic and very useful topic, which is called regular expressions. Regular expressions. Fine. So this regular expressions topic, what we are going to discuss. So it is our systematic procedure. So it is our systematic procedure. We will talk about index. So let us talk about the index. So first we talk about what is the purpose of regular expression. Always we talk about the first point is regular expressions purpose. Regular expressions purpose. What is the purpose of exception handling? To build robust applications. For everything there is a purpose. How do you build robust applications? By using some keywords. What is the use of files to develop persistency applications? What is the use of database, PDBC, Python database communication? Same thing with more easy, with a high security is there, easy to query, easy to process all these things. What are the benefits of OOPS? We have seen the benefits of classes and objects, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism. If we combine it together, I said beginning 5 advantages. What are the benefits of everything is an object? 5 important benefits I said that you need to express. Even if you express the purpose of class, purpose of object, purpose of encapsulation, purpose of abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, itself will become what? Advantages. You see that 5 advantages I said. And in detail, we discussed almost 2 weeks. Well, and next, and you see, next we are going to talk about definition of regular expressions, or next I will write it, applications of regular expressions, where these regular expressions are used in, right? Regular expressions, applications of regular expressions. Next I'm talking about definition of regular expressions and definition of regular expressions. So definition of regular expression. All right. Next we are talking about module name for developing regular expressions. Regular expressions programs. And next we are going to talk about functions in, that is functions, predefined functions in, of course, predefined functions in regular expression module. What is the regular expression module? You know, students, RE. What is the module name? RE. RE stands for regular expression. Well, functions in RE module. What are the functions are available? We are going to see. So we will see that. I'm not writing that, one by one we will explain. Next we are going to see programmer defined and some examples on that case, programming examples at that point of time. Well, that is one level. Next, programmer defined character classes. Excellent concept. Programmer defined character classes. So many number of formulas I will tell you. Next is called predefined character classes. I'm going to write it. Predefined character classes. Well, next I'm going to talk about Quantifiers, QUANT, quantifiers in regular expressions, quantifiers in regular expressions, programmer defined character classes in regular expressions, right? Of course, this is programmer defined character classes in regular expressions. And next we talk about predefined character classes in regular expressions and quantifiers in regular expressions. At that point of time, we see programming examples, corresponding programming examples here. And predefined character classes, right? And here I'm going to say this one, and additional programming examples. So, of course, additional programming examples. So don't feel that I'm boasting about my class. So already from the beginning, every topic we discuss in detail. To take any Python student, regular expressions, of course, every topic you take it, they are not well enough in particular area. So I'll discuss most depth of it, and it will take, actually, if you understand clearly, today, if you understand me, of course, I will take 3 days. This today, I will talk about its importance. If you understand me well, I will come to little faster. 3 days. In third day, combined overall additional examples, I will tell you many of them. Okay. So this is the index of it. Okay, na? Shall we start regular expressions? Yes. So regular expressions, this is an index. So students in the online, did you understand this regular expression index, students? And we are going to see all these things very programmatically in the class. Yes. So let's start with regular expressions here. So let us start. What is this regular expressions is? Now here, when you come to these regular expressions, which I used to explain these regular expressions in Java also. We used to use regular expressions even in C language also. Regular expressions are there in C++ also. You type in the Google regular expressions in C language and you will wonder, sir, when we learned C language, they did not teach regular expressions. It depends on that faculty. But when I am discussing Java, regular expressions are compulsory, I'll tell you, because in project point of view, regular expressions are important. Okay. So C++ also regular expressions are there. Java also regular expressions are there. Python also regular expressions are there. .NET also regular expressions are there. JavaScript also regular expressions are available. That's why once you learn regular expressions here, when you come across in other field when you are working, all of a sudden, this will help you a lot. Okay, na? Right. So let us start with regular expressions. Regular expressions is one of the programming language independent topic. Regular expressions is one of the programming language independent topic, independent concept. That means I can use everywhere else in our programming languages. Wherever you are using coding part, in that compulsory this concept will come into picture. Yes, sir. Now, where we use this? What is the purpose of this application? Regular expressions. Regular expressions are basically used for data validation purpose. Data validation purpose. Regular expressions we are using for which purpose? Data validation. Why data validations are required? For building robust applications. Already exceptions are there. In exceptions, we need to write big lengthy code. Try, blackout statements, except, those kind of things, some bigger code. Such a type of bigger code, chance is there to reduce it. And don't think that for regular expressions, alternative thing is exception handling, or for exception handling, alternative thing is what? Regular expressions. Suppose take an example. Mobile number validation, you take it. Mobile number should contain how many? 10 digits plus no alphabets, no spaces, nothing is allowed. How can I do? Very easily, I can do the same thing with where exceptions also I can do. I can do more easily with what? Regular expressions. So whichever we are convenient, we will learn formulas here. We learned already exception handling. Both of them we will compare. Wherever, whichever is comfortable, we can use immediately so that we can validate our data. Correct? Well, suppose you take some big information. I will take from one of the organization. Suppose I am starting one business. I want many people's information. I will buy the data from different places. I am starting one something like a supermarket I am starting. So I want the customers' information or not. So I will go to some organization. I will go to some college. I will take the information about the students. So what they are giving that students information in the form of MS Word they are giving. What I will do? I will collect the MS Word information. I will write a simple code to fetch what? Only mobile numbers. Only mobile numbers I want to extract. Are you getting what I am talking? In that content, what the college people has given, some mobile numbers are there, plus email IDs are also there. Email IDs. I want to extract only email IDs. So from the given data, I want to search for certain part of it. How do you do that? Exception handling cannot do that. I want to extract some content. Which content? I want to retrieve only mail IDs. I want to retrieve only mobile numbers. I want to retrieve only the student names. I want to retrieve the student marks. From the file I want to retrieve. From the database I want to retrieve. From object-oriented programming I want to retrieve. Anywhere else I can use this regular expressions. That's why regular expressions are what? Programming language independent concept. Regular expressions concept are used for what? Data validation purpose and builds what applications? Even robust applications. Robust applications. And once again, students, I am saying to you, don't think that for exception handling, regular expressions is not a alternative mechanism. So for validating the mobile number, I have to write some bigger code in exceptions. If it is regular expression, I will write in 2 lines and I can validate it. How it is done, I am going to explain in the class. Okay. So regular expressions are used for what? Data validations and build robust applications in project development. In project development, because I need to mention this carefully. In project development. Well, sir, in product development, is it using? Yes, we are using that. That is what I am going to say. Applications are real-time products or real-time applications uses what? Regular expressions. What are the various real-time products or applications uses regular expressions? Very simple. If you think regular expressions, anyhow, I will make you to write regular expressions coding like anything. Really, of course, I said I don't want to boast about it. You talk about regular expressions, they don't know a single formula of it. I will tell you more than 20 formulas here. That is more than enough to do any coding very easily. Okay. Now, first you take the example, go to the compilers development, you take it. Compilers development. Do you know compiler? What is the compiler? Compiler is one type of segment or software inside of our universal product, which read our source code, convert it into intermediate code in any language all at once. Our Python compiler will do what? Line by line it will read and convert it into byte code. That is a .py to .pyc. During this conversion, compiler will checks for what? Syntaxes. Am I correct? Compiler checks for what? Syntaxes. Let us go to the Python environment. I'm just writing here A is equal to, that's it. A is equal to, I said, after assignment operator, what should I write it? Either a value I have to write or expression I have to write it. Am I correct? Either I have to 10 or I have to write 10 plus 20 star 4, I have to write it. Am I correct or not, ma? So, but I am writing, when assignment operator I am using, left side something must be there, right side something must be there. Left side something and right side something, who will expect like that? Compiler already formulated as left side something, right side something. If it is not matching that formula, this is my given expression. If it is not matching, it's a well-built syntax. It will give you what? Syntax error. So who is catching this error? Compiler is catching this error. How compiler knows? Because in the compiler software, they written a code for assignment operator. Left side some variable must be there. Right side some value must be there. If right side is missing, what is that? Left side something must be there. Right side something must be there. It is called what? An expression. Put it in where? Compiler. If my expression which I am writing is compared with the already expression format compiler contains. Is it matching? That's why compiler is saying error. That means A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to A plus. What is that plus? Already compiler knows. For plus, left side one thing must be there, right side one thing must be there. When left side is there, right side is not there, your expression not satisfying the syntax. Already syntax is there. And your value compared with the syntax. Is it matching? That's why it is called what? Error. That means compilers are generating compile time errors because compilers are already written some rules and regulations. Those rules and regulations are called what? Regular expression statements. Did you understand? So what is the regular expressions importance? All the compilers, all the interpreters developed with the concept of what? Regular expressions. Coming to the point of it, first thing, all the language compilers and interpreters uses what? Regular expressions. Applications, real-time products or applications uses regular expressions. First of all, did you understand? Compiler already contains some rules. They are called what? Regular expressions. And what you are saying, that will be applied to that formula. So if the formula is satisfied, we get what? Successful result. If it is not satisfied, we will get what? Syntax error. Are you getting? Take one more example. Electronic circuits, you take it. Electronic circuits in your physics and all those things. Some circuitry designing is already given for us in the form of a formula. When you do that experiment with that circuit designing as it is with the formula, then experiment is successful. If anywhere else connections are wrong, what is happening? Experiment is not successful. Take one more small example. Take wall clock. Battery is gone. What you will do? You want to put a battery. You purchased a new battery, opened it, all of a sudden it kept not working. Means plus or minus will be there in that battery cell or not. So in place of plus you need to place, in place of minus you need to place. That means that is a formula already showing to us. If you violate that formula, it is not working. That means the formula which is already there, according to that formula, our application has to execute. That's why in most of the electronic circuitry designing, which are implemented with computing, like microcontrollers, like electronic controllers, all sorts of electronic designing kind of projects, like Siemens, Philips, Nokia, a big companies, the electronic products based what they are releasing, like chip level programming, like sensors level programming, all those kind of things are containing what? Regular expressions is must. So all kinds of electronic circuitry designing, circuits, all sorts of what? Circuits, all sorts of, I hope, electronic circuits will have some type of formulas already. Those formulas has to be followed by what? Our kind of regular expressions are internally using. Next is called what? All kinds of universal protocols. See students, all kinds of universal protocols are following all sorts of universal protocols. Like what? HTTP. What is the HTTP? In our internet, when you are sending a mail, what you must give? To. Next, some CC, something, subject, etc. You need to give it or not? Suppose if I did not give what? Some mail ID, you did not give. You attached everything and sending. Will it carry? That means what are the rules already there to carry the protocol, the data from one source to destination? You need to fill up that mail ID, you need to give some other kind of information which is prescribed, you need to give it or not? So all protocols are having some rules. Those rules are what? Already designed. Those rules you have to follow. If any one of the rule is not following, you will get what? Error will come. Are you getting my point? So all sorts of HTTP protocol, HTTPS, SMTP is also simple mail transfer protocol, NMTP, these are all called POP, maybe you heard about it, POP2, like this, these are all called what? Some sort of protocols, if any knowledge on protocols if you have. Are you getting my point? Now, coming to the next, all kinds of what? Compilers, interpreters, all kinds of electronic circuits, all kinds of universal protocol, all types of operating systems development, all types of operating system development, operating systems. So the operating systems also you take it. What is that operating system you go for example, one small thing, whether you are remembered or not, go to this place. So I am taking, go to this place. So here, what happens? Coming to this place, here, what happens? So go to this place, here. So coming to this place, and here I will go. Search it is not going. So go to this place. So how can I execute my Python programs today? So if we go to the command prompt, I used to say type file name, na? Type is called one Microsoft command or not? Type file name. In the files I used to show text files. Type is a Microsoft command. After type, what should I give? File name. After giving type, I am not giving anything. That means operating system already having what? After type, you need to give what? Some file name you need to give. That is a rule already designed. If such rule is not followed by you, operating system also giving what? Errors. So that is nothing but all sorts of universal products, all kinds of operating systems developed with which concept? Regular expressions kind of concept. I hope you are understanding what I am explaining. So these are, in every moment of it, regular expressions are going to be using these kind of places. Regular expressions are there. So when you are using regular expressions, in which level you are using? At your point of learning time, you are using in your project development time. When you become an expert, when you become many years of experience, who knows, you may be participating in operating system development also. When you learn with Python, in coming days, any Python operating system is coming, you may use regular expressions even in Python based operating systems also. So at present, you are learning regular expressions in which level? Project development. So I hope you are understanding about, go to the CMD. Here I am saying that type, I am saying only type. After that, I am not saying anything. Is it the message coming from OS or not? Similarly, I am asking last and final. I want to verify the mobile number. So I will write a formula. What is my formula? Mobile number should contain what? 10 digits only. No spaces, no characters, no special symbols are allowed. That is my formula. Whatever you are entering, that is compared against to my formula or not. If it satisfies, I say that valid number. Otherwise, I will say that it is invalid number. I hope you are following what I am trying to say. So regular expressions are very popularly used in all kinds of things. So now I am going to use it. Definition of regular expression. Definition of regular expression. Regular expression. Fine. So what is the regular expression? Can anybody can answer it? Can anybody can answer it? A regular expression which is regular. Is it? Not like that. Now I am going to use. And one more thing I forget to tell you. It is used in most of the search patterns. Search patterns. Look at. I'll go to Edit Plus software. This is right or not? Search. This is called Edit Plus software, right? I'll go to search. Option called search. Are you following me? Search. Go to search. Say what? Find. What I am finding? I say regular expression. I am saying that regular expression. This is my word. I want to search in this place. Say find. First, where it is finding? Here. It can also find from here. Start from here. Next. So next, more I can say. It is going to give you what? Find. It is going to give you many of the places. Is it finding the regular expressions importance or not? With the case sensitive, with all these things, we are going to move it. So regular expression is the one. I will say search. Search, you go for it. Find next. I am going to say here. Regular expression I will say. Or I will say the word called what? What happens? So coming to the point of it, find as you type. So go to this place, search, I say, regular expressions, regular, I said, find. So where it starts with? So in this place, like how many places this regular expression is available, I just want to find out. In the programming, I will show you. It is used in where? Search patterns also. Regular expressions are used in where? Search patterns. Of course, that is a main target of what is happening. Search patterns places, these are used. Search patterns places we are using. And most of the discussion, all these compilers, electronic circuits and everything deals with what? Search patterns. So let us start with regular expression definition. What is the regular expression? First I will define it, then I will go for elaborating. A regular expression is one of the search pattern. Regular expression is one of the search pattern. It is one of the search pattern. What is the search pattern? Which is a combination of, I am writing, combination of, in the bracket I am writing, which is a combination of alphabets, comma, digits. I will write it. Digits. And what? Special symbols. Carefully try to follow. A regular expression is one of the search pattern, which is used to search, in the given data, for searching, comma, searching, comma, matching, searching, and whether it is found or not, or matching, how many matches are there, or what, finding, searching means whether it is there or not, finding means what, in how many places it is there, how many matches are there, finding, and obtains desired result is called what, regular expression. Once you understand the result, once you understand this definition, you can understand everything. Suppose you go to a home, you have a number of books are there. You want to search for which book? Python book. You have 100 books are there in your bookshelf. What is your search pattern? Python book. What is your given data? Shelf of books. Am I correct? Number of books which are there in the bookshelf is called what? Given data. What you want to search? Python book. Right? That book, what you are having in the mind, you are searching in the given data. You are taking it out whenever it is found. So what I am saying, a regular expression is one of the search pattern. How I can prepare search pattern? That is what I am going to say. So many number of formulas in the class. A search pattern is a combination of what? Alphabets, digits, special symbols, which is used to search in given data. For searching, matching, and finding obtains what result? Desired result. For example, I will give you very good clarity here now. Today, my requirement is, I am writing, my requirement I am going to give you. Here I am taking my requirement. What is my requirement is, here you see. So I am writing, Rosam is a developer, and whose email ID is, for example, Rosam, I am writing 123 dot something like py at the rate psf.com, and comma, I can say, comma, Dennis Ritchie, I am saying something like this, also developer, and mail ID is some content I am having, don't worry about the spelling mistakes and all, and email ID is, email ID is what? Richie dot bell at the rate Bell Labs dot co.in. Like that I am having hundreds and thousands of people mail IDs. Are you getting me? Now somebody is asking, they used to give a lot of people's mail IDs. For example, I am going for a digital marketing about my products. What I will do? I have to promote about my products advertisements. From the given data, somebody has given a big text file to me, which contains lot of mail IDs. Now I am asking one person, please go through the text file and write all the mail IDs, which contains 500 pages. If I hand over the manually to one person, he will take 2 to 3 days. He need to write in a paper and all. But with my Python program or Java program or any program, within fraction of seconds, I can get all mail IDs. That means I need to prepare what here? What should I prepare? What is the regular expression? Search pattern. Which is searching in the given data or not? Getting what result? Desired result. Suppose I want to go to high-tech city to apply one job. Your mind is having what? One expression. What is that expression? Route is there. And the routes are many. And your route you are following or not? That means given so many routes are there, already you have one route in your brain. That is my regular expression, which I am applying on the given routes. And I will go to my obtains my desired result. Did you understand? And moreover, I will write it. Rahul got 56 marks and Ravi got 55 marks and Ramu got 58 marks, Raju got 22 marks, Rakesh got something like Rakesh got something like I'm writing 56 marks, and Ramesh got 99 marks, like that, and something like Ram got some 58 marks, like this. This is my given data. Somebody is asking me, please get the marks from the given text. From the given text, I want to retrieve the marks. How do you get it? Is it possible with our previous programming topics which we learned? No. So how do you get it? I want to extract from the given data. From the given data, see, search in given data. I have to prepare what? Search pattern. What is my search pattern? 2-digit marks is my search pattern, which is a combination of what? These things, which is used to search in where? Given data, for searching and matching and finding and obtaining which result? Yes. Sometimes I want marks plus email IDs. Sometimes I want to find the names of the people who starts with a capital letter. How to find this? These are all called extracting, searching. Such a type of mechanism our previous programming will not do. This is a most important concept. So that's why I hope you are understanding the definition of regular expression. A regular expression is one of the search pattern. Search pattern is a combination of alphabets, digits, special symbols, which is used to search in the given data for searching, matching, and finding, and obtains what? Desired result. This is, I will explain to you, nothing to worry. Many examples I will explain in the class. And you will say, sir, it is dead easy, you will say. Because I am going to explain so many number of formulas. Is the definition is clear? Right. Now I am going to, let me speak for 2 seconds with online students. Students who are in the online, did you understand what I am explaining, students? Come on, all of you. Yes. So let us move to the further discussion now. Very good. Come on, ma. Now I am going to enter into further to deal with next point I am writing. To deal with regular expressions programming. Regular expressions programming. We must import. We must use a predefined module called what? RE. What is that module name? RE. So at the time of writing the regular expressions program, we must use RE to write any regular expression program. Right. And what are the functions present in RE module? Separately, I will explain. I am going to write here. I will just mention today predefined functions in where? RE module. I will explain some number of functions here. Don't worry about it. Just I will write it today. Some functions I will write it. What is the first function? I will write it. Yes, search function. Don't worry about it. Where is that? All those things are available, which I am going to explain in the class. Next is called find all function. Find all function. Next is called, third one is called find ITER. Find ITER. Next is called, fourth is called start. And next is called, fifth is called end. And sixth is called what? Group. These are the functions. And small additional functions will come in my regular examples. So these are the things. I will explain what search function will do. I will explain what find all functions will do. And I will explain find ITR will do, what start function will do, what end function will do. I will explain one by one. And the most important function is find ITR. It is a recent method which is containing many facilities inside of it. I start with my programming beginning with the find ITR, and other things are dead easy. If you understand find ITR, which is a high-end flexibility method compared to what? 1 and 2. If I start with find ITR, other things are dead easy to understand. Shall I start? Fine. So beginning, I will go for an example. First example I want to show. Look at. So, students, before going to discuss, I'll take one program. What is my program? You look at. First program I am going to explain. Regular expression regular expression example 1.py. Well, so I am taking GD is equal to GD. GD means given data. I'm just taking one variable string. Python is an object-oriented programming language. Well, Python is also functional programming language. Functional programming language. And now somebody is asking, like that I have pages and pages of information. How many times Python is available? 2 times. Is it not called searching? How do you search? First time you are getting the example, accept a line of text or accept some multiple lines of text. I already told you in my file how to accept multiple lines in a text, and I said while true, if I said go on entering the text, for stop quit or press @ symbol, I wrote already code or not? Dynamic lines of code in the files. There I will read the data from the file which contains lot of information. In that file, how many times the word Python is available? For example, how do you find that? What is my regular expression? Python. What is my given data? File data or this data. So my Python is a word which I am searching inside of my given data or not? How do you search? One time you want to search, repeatedly you want to search. Repeatedly I want to search. Okay, what is my regular search pattern? SP. What is my SP? Tell me. Python. What is SP? Search pattern. What is GD? Given data. So my SP should be searched in given data or not? One time or iteratively? Iteratively. Spell out. For that there is a function called what? Find iter. Spell out. ER. What is find iter says? Find iteratively. Find iteratively. Speak. Find iteratively. So, what you are finding? What you are finding? Say what? SP. Where are you finding? In GD. In GD. What is SP? Search pattern. Starter. That's why speak. What is SP? Search pattern. Where are you searching in? Right. So immediately, do you know what is happening? It prepares. Find iter will take your SP, searching in given data. It prepare one table. What is the table, sir? Now I will give you same thing here. I will write down. After 2 minutes I will come back to this program, because beginning I don't want to make you to get confused. Okay. So this is, I'm getting problem. Control R, I will go for it. So paint. Okay, today giving a trouble for me. Type name of the program or folder, document, internet resource which find will open to you. Paint. MS Paint. Okay. Something we are learning newly. So here I will take, here I am saying some data like this. Watch, students. This is my given information. Do you know what is happening? Find iter is searching the SP in GD and prepare one matching table. Match table means what? In which position? First index, first Python find where, second place, which second word Python is also there or not? Third time Python, fourth time Python. There are different places Python are there. It will provide you starting index where Python is there, end ending where is the Python, another starting index of Python, another end index of Python. Everything is showing. That I am going to name it as a match table, match tab, or something like, empty. some variable name. I can take even KVR also, no problem. So I'm taking here M tab, match tab I am taking. What is this match tab contains, sir? Very, very simple, sir. Look at this match tab contains very useful information I'm saying here. Look at that. It is pointed by M tab. M tab. This is pointed by M tab. Okay. See now, it is going to contain, one is called what? Start index. What it is containing? Start index. Next is containing what? End index. Next it is going to contain value. Next it is containing value. Which value? Matched value it is going to contain. Well, students, look at this now. I'm going to give you the clarity on this area. Now see carefully, observe it. Here I am writing start index. Where is the first Python? SP. Find idea or take your SP and start searching in given data. SP in given data. What is this? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, this is not I, O. Please think. By mistake, I typed. So this is going to start like this. So started from where? 0. What is the end index? Generally 5. But it is going to be 5. In 5 also, n is there. In 5th place also, n is there. That means complete Python want to come end index plus 1. It will take, what is the value? 1 will be there. Next what? 6 will be there. At that point of time, end index plus 1 it will take. End index plus 1. What is the end index actually? 5. 5 plus 1, that will be mentioned here. 6 minus 1, it is not 0, yeah, correct. 0, that is. 6 minus 0 is what? 6. That means how many characters are there? How many characters are there? 5 or 6? 0 to 5, how many? How many characters? 6 characters are there. 6 characters are there. 6 minus 0 is 6 characters. 0 to 5 is also 6, but 50 is also pointed by n. So it has to come out of it. So simple, don't get confused. I am feeling that you will understand well. So I'm going to say Python is matched or not. What is that? 0 indicates starting index, and the next one end index. What is the value found? Python. Next, in another place also Python is there or not? In one more place also some Python is there. Assume I'm taking something 23. So 23 plus definitely it contains a 29. I will write it. 0 plus 6 is 6. So 29 plus 6 is 29. Actually 28 only. For example, assume plus 1, 29. What is the word is getting? Python. Don't think 23 is fixed. Maybe I'm just roughly I'm writing. Roughly. That may be changing. So this is the data I'm getting. And no more entries are there. This indicates what is the concept here now? This indicates first matched entry, second matched entry is available. First match entry, second match entry is available. I hope you are understanding about how many matches are there? 2 matches are there. First match and second match. I need to print this or not? This empty, I can't print this empty. Print of M tab. When I say print of M tab, it is going to print what? It is going to print. It is not going to print that data. It is not going to print the data. It will print memory address. Moreover, I will print type of what? M tab. It is going to print. It is going to print some type of class. Every variable is having some object. Every object will be having behind that one class is there. Callable underscore iterable kind of object is that. M tab is an object of iterable. I will show you that. Nothing to worry. How do you print the data, sir, now? How do you print the data? Let me show you up to here. Go to the program once and say what here? M tab. Please look at print of, come on, type of, what is my function name? Type of what? M tab. Just execute. Very small beginning program, very beginning program I am explaining. Regular expressions, please go to this place. I'm going to say 4 p.m. 4 p.m. I'm creating a folder, students. Regex, regular expressions, expr, expr. In this, I will save my program. First program I am giving. Let us go to the command prompt. Okay, going to the command prompt problem I have today. CD, I'm going to say KVR Python 4 p.m. CD regular expression. Yes. Now you execute, students. Py, see that answer. What happens? Say something is mistake there. Huh? Yeah. Dot, last dot I kept. Line number. Okay, this is okay, leave it. Next, fourth line. Okay, one more thing is RE dot, that is called RE. What is RE? So import what? RE. In RE module, what is the function name? Just now I said predefined functions in which module? Find ITR is a function present in which module? How can you access it? Module name dot. Yes, well, now you can answer it. You can get the answer now. See. So what happens? 6. Okay. Okay, ma. Okay. Spelling mistake. Yeah. Fine. Now you will get the answer now. See that? What is that mtab object type? Callable underscore iterable. Callable underscore. What is that callable underscore iterable? Class. Class. Which one? Callable underscore iterator. Which one is a class of what? Mtab. If I print that mtab here, you cannot get the data. You will be getting memory address, because it is an object of which type? Callable underscore iterator. Keep in mind. Now I want to print the data. Shall I print the data now? Sir, how do you print, sir, please? So for loop I will take it. Why for loop I am taking? Please keep in mind. How many entries are there? mtab. 2 entries. First entry, second entry. It is also feel like a list. Feel like a tuple of records. First entry. Come on. What is this now? What is that? In mtab, how many entries are there? 2 entries, 3 entries, 4 entries, 100 entries. Come on, tell me. 1 entry, something like what, you know? 1. I'm saying 1. 1 means what? 1 entry. Or called what? One map, one match entry, OMT. In where? mtab. What is OMT? One match table entry. Or take one small variable name. How do you print that? Ma? Say start index colon. Okay. Next, what I will do? End index colon. Okay. Next, value is equal to dot format of 0 now. So I will find out in this place of OMT. In this, how do you write it? That entry, complete entry, 1 entry, that is nothing but diagrammatically. This entire entry is present in where? This entire, that rounded entry is present in where? OMT. Present in where? From that OMT, dot what? Start. What will come? Starting index, comma, OMT dot what? End, comma, OMT dot what? Group. I will explain what is group, what is start, what is end. By seeing the program, you can understand that. Start function will give you starting index of that particular entry. End will give you what? End index of that entry. and a group will give you the matched value for that entry. Execute. Now see this now. See that what is happening. Not closed. Okay. Another thing, for print statement, execute. Now I got it. Look at students. Exactly, I wrote it. 0 and 6. What is this now? Python. What is the next starting index? What is the end index? What is the value found? Are you understanding this? Easy. For example, I will not only this Python I am writing. There are a lot of things I am explaining. It's a very simple. It's just names. Before the movie, only names are coming. Actually, cinema will start now. So coming to SP, lang. Come on, lang. How many types of langs are there? Here, lang. Here, one more lang is there or not? But this lang is what? Small lang, capital lang. So there is capital case sensitive also will be there. If you want to ignore the case sensitive, I have to go for upper and lower. I have to apply. That is not an issue here. Please run this code once again. Lang is present in where? 17th index and 21. 21 minus 17 is 4 characters. 65 minus 61 is called what? 4 characters. Is it understandable? So what is the purpose of find ITER? Find ITER function searching the search pattern in the given data and obtains the result. Well, go to that. Now I am saying here KVR. Is the KVR is found there? Nothing is coming. Nothing is there. Come out of that. Now I am writing here. Python. Execute this. Python is there. Now I am going to write it. One more example, continuation part of it. Now I am writing. Look at my dear students. Here I am writing. I am saying that regular expression 2.py. How many times Python is coming? I want to find. Number of occurrences is equal to what? 0. Are you getting my? So when it is printing, number of occurrences is equal to number of occurrences plus 1. After the for loop is over, what I am writing in else part, print. Come on. Number of occurrences of I am writing is equal to dot format of sp comma noc. Did you understand this? Did you understand? 50. I am saying that it is called 50. So here I am showing you. Just observe it. See students, I hope you are understanding that. Anybody is not understanding, I will elaborate. See that, what is the number of occurrences beginning? If my Python is present into GD, this SP, if it is there, first entry, increment, second entry, increment, third entry, again increment. Depends on the number of entries, that many times NOC is equal to NOC plus 1. Execute this and see students, regular expression 2.py. How many? Again close bracket. I'm forgetting. Execute this program now. So I got number of occurrences of Python word is what? 2. Are you getting my point? If I use lang, if I use yan, please. Here what? One yan is there. One more yan is there in lang. One yan is there. One more an is there. Anywhere else an is there. You just see. One more an is there. So it searches for the letters called an. There are so many techniques I am going to tell you students. See that how many times? So many. This is only just after all, just a piece. I am going to tell you so many formulas. Wonderful formulas will come. So I am writing, finding what is this? Python. Program for finding number of occurrences of a word Python in a given data. This I am writing program for finding number of occurrences of word. Which one? Python in where? Given data. What is my given data? Available. Are you understanding the definition of regular expression? What is the regular expression? A regular expression is one of the search pattern which is used to search in where given data for searching, matching, finding and obtains desired result. Did you understand? Students in the class, did you understand, ma? Did you understand the meaning of find ITR? Little bit? Right. And here start function, end function, group function. It's a very, very useful function in the class. So find ITR function, searching the search pattern in where given data and obtains the result depends on your question. I hope it is clear. Shall I move forward? And what is the type of this mtab? Callable underscore iterable. So I will take it here. Mtab is of type here. Mtab is a variable after all. Is of type. I'm writing class comma what? Callable underscore what? Iterable. It is called one type of class. Callable underscore iterable. Shall I move forward? Yes. So, are you getting little bit about regular expressions? Now I am going to enter into little more powerful discussion. Shall I? Yes. Now, up to here, we just had a small discussion. Find all, find ITR. Find all I will discuss after a few minutes. Let it be find all also I will discuss. Let us start with, okay, before find all, I would like to say, okay, let us start find all also. Here I am going to say, find all function, because first I want to show you this meaning. Regular expression 3, same thing, re dot find all. Find all also search for search pattern in the given data continuously and it returns match list. It returns match list, that means list of matches. It won't give about indexes, it will give you list of matching. It will just pick up in how many matches Python is there. What is this match type? Remove this now. Remove print of one variable I am taking, match list I am taking. What is this match list? Expression 3. Just see. I am going to say, save this. Just I am printing. Direct value I am printing. 3.py. What it is doing? Python. What is the brackets you see? List. You print it. Type of match list. Type of what list, ma? Which one is the type of it? List type. Tell me. Okay. Now I am printing here. What I am printing? Print number of matches. I am writing number of occurrences of I am writing is equal to dot format of, come on ma, I am waiting for your answer, of what? SP comma Anuj, very good. LEN of, very good Anuj. What is this now? Match list. Are you following? Well, see, execute and one more bracket close. One more bracket close. Yes. One more bracket close. Execute. Number of matches, number of occurrences of Python is equal to 2. Not only that, I'm just writing what? N. You know N. N is what? 3. I will write on. On is there. Where is that on? On is there. Anywhere else on is there? One on is there here also. How many types of ons are there? 3 times. Right? I will take ONE. Do you have ONE there? No. So it is going to print number of occurrences of ONE is equal to what? Euro list nothing. Find all not, does not find anything. In operating system, you are going for searching option. Na? In a OS, you are going for searching something. Na? If a result is there, all the things will be shown. If a result is not there, no search items found. What is the pattern followed? Such regular expressions concept only followed or not? Are you able to get my point? Yes. Shall I move forward? Yes. Students in the online, did you understand this find all? Students in the online, did you find this online? Right? Yes, ma. Sandhya. Yes, ma. Exactly. Right. Please tell me, can we send same message to all email IDs by using this regular expressions concept? Yes, ma. Can you? What is this meaning? Can we send same message to all email IDs by using this regular concept, sir? What is this meaning? Asking to send this programs. Anyhow, I'm keeping in the Google Drive class now. Sandhya, ma? Sandhya, I'm keeping these programs in the Google Drive class now. Sandhya. So I hope your meaning is that only. I hope your meaning is that provided the email ID is same. Huh? Sandhya, is it the same thing, ma? You are asking me to send this concept, huh? Okay. Maybe she will reply it. We will concentrate next. Shall I move forward? Yeah. Next, I mean to say, next one more thing I want to say. What is the meaning of find all here? What is the find all function is doing? Searching for search pattern in the given data and retrieves only matches in the form of what? List. Find ITR will do what? It will search for the search pattern data in the given data and gives table, starting index, ending index, matched value. It will be more detailed searching is done. More detailed search will be done by what? Find ITR. Find all will give you only searched value. Understand? Fine. Let us move to the, yes ma, Neeraja, correct ma, correct. Iterative search it is. Which one? Find ITR. It will give a complete search report. In this index, in this starting index, in this end index, this value found. In this start index, in this end index, this value found. Like that, it will give complete thing. Now I am going to tell you one more thing called what? Search option I am going to say. Look at my dear students, search option. I say regular expression 4. Same thing, same to same. I am going to say here, Python. Now I am going to say the word called what? Search. Search I am saying. Search. What is the search function is doing, you know, student? Search function will search one match occurs. That means search starts by taking SP. Started in where? GD. First match found, it stops. It stops and prints the data and gives match info. Match info. It will give match info. How many matches it looks for? Only one match. That is the first match only it will give and print that information. And print that information. Here I am saying print of what? Match info. Match info. Search function will search for what match? One match only. Find all will match for what? All the matches until total matches over. Find ITR will do what? It also search for everything. It retrieve all the matches along with the start index and end index. Are you getting my point? Come on, search, match info. So it search for first match only, even though 10 matches are there. Which match it looks for? First match only. That match information will come. Starting from 0, ending in 6, that match information only will come. Look at that. If no match is found, it returns a none. None it returns. Please save this code. Regular expression 4.py. Just for a minute you observe ma. See that, execute. See that, py, regular expression 4, please look at that. RE dot match object is coming. Span of what? 0 to 6. What is the matched value? This is nothing but a value is coming. Let us go immediately here. Let us go immediately here. I am writing KVR. Such a KVR is not found at all. It returns a none. None indicates search is unsuccessful. Not none indicates search is successful. So search function looks for which match? First match. Getting? Find all, search for all types of all matches. Simple. Once again, no confusion. If I have Python 10 times in my given data, if I apply search, it will search for how many matches? One match. If I go for find all 10 matches, 10 Pythons will retrieve in the form of what? List. If I go for a find ITR, 10 times will come, but 10 starting indexes, 10 ending indexes, complete match table will come. That's why detailed iterative search is given by what? Find ITER. Find all. If I am not interested to go for finding indexes, at that time I'll go for what? Find all. If I am interested to search whether it is there or not, I'll go for what? Search. Whether it is there or not, I will go for what? Search. Finding number of occurrences, I will go for find all or find ITR. Did you understand, students? Come on to the point of it. Come on to the point of it. Here I am going to give you. So here I am going to give you none is coming. So here I am going to write one important information. What is that information? If come on to this. What is that, Shma? Sandhya, what is this meaning? No, sir. I mean, can we send same message to all email IDs at the time of using regular express? Okay, I understand that. She want to send this mail. You can send, of course, it is related to what? Web related information. Sending email to the customers is called what? Web framework related kind of concept. This is just only 3 to 4 lines of code in Django. Because it is a web related kind of application. This same information even we used to deal with advanced Java servlets. What code we used to write? Java code only. Here also Python code only we write with the Django library. We can send it. In Django also we can use what? Regular expressions. In data science also you will come across regular expressions. In every moment of it, regular expressions is mandatory. So I hope, Sandhya, did you understand, ma? You can send the mail to any one of the customer by using what? Mails. But mail sending is a web related kind of concept that will be there in Django kind of framework. Because we are using Python as a language coding, not related with the web framework here. When you are dealing with the Django, it is a minimum requirement in the class. We have to teach it. What is that? Getting the email IDs from any text document, posting to our email ID heading and sending the common message to everybody. That is a minimum requirement, easiest requirement. So you can do with regular expressions even in Java. That's why I said programmer independent logic. So I hope, ma, Sandhya, I hope did you understand that? Yes. Fine. So coming to the point of it, if, come on to the point, match info not equal to what? None. Not equal to what? None. I can say what? I can say print off. What is this? Found. Found in where? Given data. Given data. What is that found? Format of what? SP. Else. What I can say? Print. What is this? Does not exist or does not found in where? Given data. Dot what? Dot format of what? SP. Well, so execute now. I'm using KVR here. See that whether it is there or not. We use it. Let us save it. Go to the place and see this now. KVR does not exist in given data. I will say here now, here what is happening? Python, I will use it. Python I am using. Python I am using. P capital, I have to use it. So there I am going to use it. Python found in given data. Whether the value found or not, I will use it. If the value not found, does not exist. So here the information is none and all. I hope you are having the clarity on find all will do what, find ITR will do what, find search will do what. I hope you understand this. Fine. So shall I move forward? Now, I will move to the further discussion. Now, I will show you one small concept. So, I just say some small thing I want to say. I will show you the description for you guys. One small minute if you wait. So, I am going to say regular expressions there. I say predefined functions, predefined functions in this RE module. Just one example I want to show you. Just to see functions in RE module. Which functions these are? Predefined functions in. Of course, just I mentioned it instead of writing that. I'm just showing here. RE module contains the following functions. Find ITER. RE.find ITER. What is the function here? Search pattern. And what is this? Yes. If it is there, it returns one variable. Here variable name is an object of which type? Class callable underscore iterator. Now I am saying what this function will do. This function is used for searching the search pattern in where given data iteratively, and it returns a table of entries. What entries? Which contains start index, end index, and what? Matched value based on search pattern. Three things it is returning. Start index plus what? End index, and then what? Matched value based on what? Search pattern. And you have seen that example in this place. Start value, end value, and then what? Group. I hope you are understanding this start and group. Find ITR will do what? Iteratively searching in the entire data iteratively and returns a match table which contains starting index, ending index, and what? Matched value. Well, go to the next continuation process. I hope you understand. Next is called what here? Group function you see. What the group function is doing? This function is used for obtaining matched value by what? With the find ITR, you are getting the matched value or not? Whatever you are getting the matched value, that we are getting by using which function? Right, match object dot what? You are getting that value name. Next, start function is doing what? This function is used for obtaining. What are you obtaining? Starting index of which value? Well, match object dot what? Start returns starting index. Match object dot start. Starting index will come or not? Next, end. This function is used for obtaining which index? End index plus 1 of which value? Same, match object dot end. We are getting that, and we are already used in our program. Start, end, group. Already we used or not? Yes. Coming back to this next continuation process. Next, which function ma? Search. See, variable name is equal to re dot what? Search. What is this now? Search pattern and what? Here variable name is of object of which class? Match class. What it says? This function is used for searching the search pattern in given data for which occurrence? First occurrence or first match only. If I have 20 pythons, first match, yes, found. Yes, if the search pattern found in the given data, then it returns an object of what? Match, which contains a matched information value and what? Start and end index value. Span, I said na, span 0, 6. and it indicates search is successful. If the search pattern not found in given data, then it returns, it indicates search is unsuccessful. So clear. Come to where next? What find all will do? See, find all, search pattern, what? What is this now? Here variable name is an object of what? Class list. Simple. This function is used for searching search pattern in the entire given data and find all occurrences, all matches, and returns all matched values in the form of object of what? List. So tell me, find all returns an object of list, search function returns an object of match, find ITR returns an object of callable underscore iterable. Did you understand? Callable underscore iterable here. Callable iterator, sorry. Callable underscore iterator. Callable underscore iterator. So, iterable or iterator? Iterator. Fine. So, it is going to be saying iterator. I hope iterator. Okay. Iterator. Okay. So, it is going to be the matched type and functions you have seen. So once if I cover these functions, whenever I use anything, you will understand it. Is the clarity is there? Search, find all, find ITR. Which is the detailed search? Which is the detailed search? Well, now I would like to ask you to write a small example. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Students in the online, did you understand these functions, ma? Did you understand this function? Did you understand these functions here? Well, good. Write down. Write a Python program which will accept a line of text. Which will accept a line of text. Which will accept a line of text. Full stop. Accept a search pattern. Accept a search pattern. Accept a search pattern or key. Accept a search pattern or key. Accept a search pattern or key. And search in the given data. And search in the given data. And search in the given data. And display. And display search is successful or not. And display search is successful or not. And display search is successful or not. Are you getting? Fine. So how do you write it? Look at that now. So another program I am writing. See students, carefully follow me. I am writing. So here I am going to say this information here. So here I'm going to write program for I'm writing. Come on, import. What is this now? RE. Say next. Say, I will say given data is equal to input of enter a line of text. Enter a line of text. Enter a line of text. Well, next is called what? Search pattern is equal to input of enter which word you want to search. You want to search. Okay, done. Say what next? I want to search that word. SP I want to search in GD. Which one is better? Which one I will only search whether it is found or not. Something like, match info is equal to re dot what search of what sp comma what gd. Okay, it may be found or may not be found. Already I told you here, match info is not equal to what? Okay, none. What do you say, ma? What do you say? It's nothing but what? Found in where? found in which data? Given data. So dot format of what? SP. That's it. SP. I say here what? Else I say here of what? Does not exist. And search is unsuccessful. Search is unsuccessful. And search is successful, I can say. And search is successful. Search is successful. I can say this word. Search is successful. Let us save this code. Line dot format of SP students. So I will say here search example dot py. Search example, or I can say our regular expression 5.py. REGEXPR example 3.3 na 4 or 5 5.py. One small example, a small attempt we are making to search for whether the data found or not. So go to this place of 4, say here regular expression, I'll just say 5.py. Well, go to this place ma, I say py 5, enter a line of text. So HYD is the capital of TS and Amirpet. So I'm writing here Amirpet is a part of HYD. Just one message. Enter which word you want to search. Which one you want to search? HYD, for example. HYD found in the given data, search is successful. I say something like this. I said like this. Something like Chennai. I'm just saying. Chennai does not exist in that and does not search in this. Are able to get it? In simple word, I will read the data from the file. And that file data is a text file that I will pass to the search as a given data, and the search pattern is a word which I am searching. Are you following? So it is the fastest searching mechanism I can do with this regular expressions. So like that, if I am going on moving, there are a lot more formulas I am going to say. So first day I used to give the functions here. First day I am going to give you about what? Functions. So Nitikesh, what ma? Sir, can we use this for search in list object? See, list object, if you want to search, we can use in operator. In. Find all is there na? Find all will search for all matches. Search will search for first match. Find ITR will search for all matches with start index and end index. Nitikesh, I hope you are understanding ma? So no need to use specially to search in list. To specify in list whether it is there or not. Already we discussed na? In list, whether the element found or not, how do you do? By using in operator. So here we are taking what a bulk amount of data I am having, which I am searching by using what expressions? Regular expressions. So still if I use a lot of, I am going to tell you so many formulas for you, around 20 plus formulas I am going to tell you. These are only just the names of movie. So original movie will start in next. Tomorrow complete formulas I will tell you. Day after tomorrow complete examples I will tell you. 3 days concept it is. Okay na? Don't miss tomorrow class. Important. Okay na? So let's stop the class now. Even if I start the formula, even 2 to 3 formulas also will not over. So 20 formulas are there. Continuously I have to discuss it. So let's stop the class. Tomorrow we will go for programmer defined character classes. Up to whatever is discussed. Remember functions I said. You remember that functions. Tomorrow I will go for formulas I will explain. Okay. Right. Is today's class is clear? Online students? Well. So. Yes, ma, Neeraja. See, ma, for real-time project for Python embedded system testing. So, if you come to this Naresh IT, they are giving some projects for this embedded systems with Python, ma. You can see the list of that and you can select it as an academic projects. Fine, right. So, fine. So, tomorrow class, we will continue that formulas. Don't miss tomorrow class, important. Right. Thank you. Now I will send you, Brahmani, I will send you these notes. Now itself I will send you. Okay, fine. So exception handling is totally different from regular expressions. And you already might be, in today only you differentiated, I think so. Right. Thank you. Right, guys. Take care. And tomorrow class will